Ever felt the frustration of dealing with impersonal and time-consuming customer service over the phone? Well, you're not alone. Companies are also grappling with how to connect with their customers in a highly personalized yet efficient way. Enter HearRo, a solution that's rewriting the narrative on phone-based customer service by creating trusted connections using secure digital identities. HearRo is a two-sided conversation platform that offers an effortless way to interact over unique, private connections that you control. By leveraging technologies such as blockchain identity, Sovrin, Evernym, Twilio, and CRM, HearRo is revolutionizing the way we think about customer service. So, how does HearRo work? At the heart of HearRo is a partnership with Blackcoffer to design and implement a two-sided conversation platform. This platform creates trusted connections using secure digital identities, providing a seamless way for customers and organizations to interact over unique private connections. HearRo's platform is built on a dummy demo server, providing a reference solution for a more personalized and efficient customer service experience. The server generates a token and creates a channel for communication. This channel, or chat window, is then accessible to the customer, allowing for a more direct and personalized interaction with the service provider. The token is created at Twilio, a necessary step to create a channel. This channel is then validated to ensure it is a web channel, the identity is valid, and it is a registered web channel. Once validated, the web channel is opened, paving the way for a more personal and efficient customer service experience. On the client side, the same token and Flex Fluid are used to create the same channel created by the server. This allows messages to pass from the client to the server, and then to the Twilio chat client and back. In essence, HearRo is transforming the landscape of customer service by creating an environment where customers and organizations have control over their interactions. By using secure digital identities, HearRo is able to create trusted connections, making the customer service experience more personal and efficient. To recap, HearRo is a game changer in the world of customer service. It provides a solution to the common struggles faced by customers and companies alike by creating trusted connections using secure digital identities. Through a two-sided conversation platform, HearRo offers an effortless way to interact over unique, private connections that you control. It's a new era in customer service, and HearRo is leading the way. So next time you're dreading a call to customer service, remember HearRo. It's a smarter, more personal, and efficient way to communicate. HearRo, creating trusted connections, revolutionizing customer service.